Monopolies like Apple's threaten the free and fair markets upon which our economy is based. They stifle innovation. They hurt producers and workers, and they increase costs for consumers. If left unchallenged, Apple will only continue to strengthen its smartphone monopoly.
No matter how powerful, no matter how prominent, no matter how popular, no company is above the law. Through today's action, we reaffirm our unwavering commitment to this principle.
Promoting competition through antitrust enforcement levels that playing field and is critical to promoting economic opportunity and equity.
Competition does not just protect the markets and technologies of today, but the innovations of tomorrow. We bring this case to make sure that Apple competes by innovating rather than imposing rules and fees that prevent others from innovating and competing too. And in doing so, we protect the market for the innovations that we can't yet perceive.